But why would you allow money to worry you? Your mind believes money is your life. Deep inside, you know it's not true, but still, money stresses you. If something has no value, would you worry about it? Is money valuable? Only resources create value. Money cannot. Lately, I have seen some money experts and investment pros predict that the stock and housing market will crash. People like Rich Dad author Robert Kiyosaki seem quite ecstatic about the market crash. For those obsessed with money and the market, I'm sure you have your legit reasons and analysis of why you believe or disbelieve their predictions. However, as I listened to their messages, I noticed that my mind started racing and figuring out what to do next. Hi, my name is Delphine, and welcome to my Taboo Talk show. If you are new to our channel, we share insights about money and the life from a new perspective once a week. Although those money experts' message didn't trigger my emotions, they did make my mind uneasy. That is an example of when money stresses ordinary people. But why would you allow money to worry you? No, it's not you. It's your mind. Your mind has been programmed to believe that money is a must-have in your life. So when you watch market updates, analysis, or predictions, your mind naturally links them to life or death situations and make you stressed. You see, you are deeply programmed. Your mind believes money is your life. Deep inside, you know it's not true, but still, money stresses you. What you can do to change? Can you stop your mind? Unfortunately, you can't. You know, your mind's primary function is to protect. Once it links money with life, it naturally thinks money can secure life and is valuable. Let me ask you this. If something has no value, would you worry about it? No. Who would want to spend their precious life even thinking about anything worthless, right? So, is money valuable? Let me tell you this. Money has no value of its own. Only a tiny percentage of people know it and live it. I'm talking about less than 1% of the world population. They do things differently. They never chase money. They won't hold on to cash or money in their bank account. They rarely invest in the stock market either, because they know that money becomes valid only when you use it as a leverage. Other than that, money is worthless. Those people use money to leverage and control precious things, the resources. Oil, gold, silver, lumber, land and water, cotton, etc. are resources, you know it. But do you realize that you and I, human beings, are also resources? Now you understand why we are called human resources, right? Only resources create value. Money cannot. Do you know that there is one thing that manifests all resources in the universe? Without it, all resources, including you and me, will cease to exist. If you can manage that one thing, wow, the rest is beyond your imagination. Have you guessed what it is? Comment below and let me know. If you are not conscious, your whole life you'll be chasing money because you think you need it to live. But the truth is, money can never support your life. What's the use of money if you lose your life? The life I'm talking about is not a lifestyle. Money has no value. If you know that, would you pursue money anymore? I'm asking you. Now you know why money stresses you out and why pursuing money is the dumbest thing to do. I realized that listening to those money talks made my mind back in the loop of money is life mindset. So I stopped the video and went back to what truly matters, to create real value in my life. Do you want to know what the real value is in your life and how to create it? You can go to onenergy.institute to download Onenergy app to start the course. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next Taboo Talk. You're watching Delphine's Taboo Talk. Agree or not, no one can avoid those taboos. Are you brave and conscious enough to see the truth behind it? Let's discover together. 混元灵通。好了。